share few words about TPAD, when it was started, how it was started, what is the vision of TPAD, and then what we have achieved in the last few months. So TPAD, as you all know, stands for Telangana People's Association of Dallas. It was started with an inspiration of one single man, a great friend of all of us. We call him Ajay Bhai Sahab. Please give him a big hand. And he shared that his vision with few of us, and then we got together with like-minded. We said, definitely there's a need for an organization that serves the interest of Telangana, the rich culture and heritage, and then we have good number of people from Telangana here. You may all know that Dallas is a home for about 35,000 Telugu-speaking people, and of that, half of them are from Telangana region. People from Telangana region are in all aspects of life in Dallas area. They are in IT, in physicians, and business owners in several other areas. So the organization is based on 3 strong principles, that is inclusion, interaction, and inspiration. So when Ajay Garu said that in the beginning, what are those principles, we were clueless, but slowly we spent a lot of time and came up with a vision, and then immediately we executed Telangana Formation Day, the 29th state of India, which was a grand success. We celebrated. It was well over, attended by 2,500 people. And that event also inspired several community members in Dallas. It was well attended by Telugu-speaking Telanganites, non-Telanganites, and people from all over India attended. And then they realized that the passion of Telanganites in Dallas. So with that, we got a lot of encouragement, and then immediately we started this organization. We are working on putting a strong structure, and we spend several hours every week. And then we have a strong advisory here. In the advisory, we have Ajay Reddy Garu, Janaki Mandadi Garu, we have Upender Telugu Garu, Raghuveer Garu, Raj Gondi Garu, Mahendra Kamireddy Garu, Vijay Pitta Garu, 8 of us. So we started talking about how to make this a community organization, very much a community to serve the interest of the community. And then we came up with, we said, all we have a vision and we know how to execute. In between, there is a big gap. So we said we need a strategy, we need a planning, and we need a communication. So with all that, we started, and then we have a strong executive committee. We are 21 people, and very soon everyone come here, and then they work here. Very passionate, hardworking executive committee of over 21 people here, and then they came together. We said, let's start this 2014 Bathagama Dasara in a very grand way. So thank you all again for joining us this evening and giving us encouragement to make this a very unique, because it's the first time we are doing under the Telangana state, 29th state of India. So we would like each one of you to help us in your own way, and also spread out this message to your friends and families and bring them in a big number on September 27th. But enjoy. Meanwhile, we have a great evening, we have great talent in the room to entertain us, and we have a good food. Ruchi is known for good Telangana food, and please enjoy rest of the evening. Thank you very much.